my name is Dupay Alaru. I'm here with Tutors for Tots, and today I will be showing you kindergarten hands-on math lessons. Whole class math lessons can be fun and exciting, and a great way to teach math facts is in the form of a game. This will allow students to memorize their facts. First, you want to start off with numbers 0 to 10, and equal, addition, as well as a subtraction sign. If you laminate the cards, you can use them for the rest of the year. To start the game, you're going to have a math fact. For instance, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Have the students write this math fact on their whiteboard. Next, you're going to choose 5 students to come up in front of the room. Those students will have these cards. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Once the students have the cards, have them line up in front of the room in order. When they're in order, give them a thumbs up. Those 5 students can pick 5 other students to do the reverse order. Continue to play the game using all your cards, allowing each student to come up in front of the room. Well, there you have it. This is a fun, hands-on math game. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Dupay Alaru with Tutors for Tots at tutorsfortots.com. Have a great day.